Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Style. Today I have short hairstyles that can be a great way for you to achieve a more youthful appearance. You can see this hairstyle, how it was accentuate this woman's facial features. You can see the hairstyle, it will also add that volume and showing off of neck and creating that bold statement. It will even reduce the appearance of damage, because short hairstyles can help you look and feel younger. So this haircut, you can see, can help you start fresh, and cutting of damaged ends can really make your hair look healthier and younger. And it's a bold haircut that is also daring, that can make you feel more confident and youthful. Just try to show off your personality and sense of style, and this more of your youthfulness with those short hairstyles. Today this hairstyle is a haircut that will save you time and effort. You can see this hairstyle is a hairstyle that you may not need as much shampoo or even a conditioner or even a styling product, and you can see it's a hairstyle that can save you money and time. You can see it's easier to manage, and one thing about this hairstyle is that it often doesn't require heat styling tools like the flat irons and combs. It's just something you can simply air dry your hair, for you to style it. And it's a haircut that often holds their shape and style for longer periods of time, so you may not even need to touch up your hair throughout the day or even use as much hairspray or even other styling. Wow, this hairstyle, I want you guys to just see how this hairstyle will make this woman look younger, and just take a good look at this haircut, because it's a wash and go hairstyle. You can see it will require that minimal styling, like after school cause are finished doing his work on her. And one thing about the style is that it will allow every woman to embrace the natural texture, and it's a low maintenance hairstyle. You can see the hairstyle is versatile and easy to refresh. It's really a haircut that is convenient and practical option for beautiful women who are busy, or maybe they want that low fuse hair routine. Okay, so just watch this video to the end. Let me know your minds in the comment section below, and subscribe if you've not done that. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video.
What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? It can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not feel. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? We can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God.